Man, I am so exhausted. I'm trying my best to get these guys settled for the night where the temperature and everyone's happy. And same with these guys. These guys I'm gonna have to split up tomorrow because there's just too many of them in there. And got this camera set up for lockdown. I moved that camera over there just because all of them's been hanging out in this area. I moved the heater all the way to the corner. I probably should do the same to this one too. But I'm just so tired. The Freedom Rangers, I've had to fight with them because of the rain. They keep wanting to stay in the wet spots. And the light keeps going out because the rain is flipping the breaker. I am exhausted. God bless. Peace.